Another stove. Getting all the noodles out of there. Got a fridge. Cuz working on getting that compressor out of there. We got another one over here. Scrap of the day. Trying to make another dollar holler. Got some more Pokemon videos coming up. Some recent pulls, sports cars I picked up. But yeah, get that bad boy out of there. And off to the scrap yard. Got a good amount more. And my cousin's small office. But catch you in the next one. Adios, amigos. Keep the most high first, and I'm out of here.